we can go for the entire architecture or distribution environment. What is the distribution environment? That is same like a web environment only, but this application server having the capacity 1000 members. 1000 members at a time give the request, also is giving the proper response, but it's giving the 10,000 people, and this application server is very slow. Sometimes it will be crashing also. So to overcome this all the problems, we can go for the entire architecture or distribution environment. What is the entire architecture or distribution environment? This we are calling as a clients. For example, this is a client. This is a clients. For example, you can think it. This we are calling as a 1000 people. Whenever they can give the 1000 people, they can go for the application server here. This is the application server having the capability 1000 people. And one more 1000 people are accessing. Now this application server, if you give the request and it's having the more button, that is the reason to overcome that problem. Other application server we can distribute the load. Same manner, another 1000 members we can give to the another 1000 members, like this, distributing the load. Like that, many application servers are available, and this we are calling as a server database layer. So like that, many layers will be increasing. That is the reason this we are calling as a entire architecture. We are calling that is we are calling as a entire architecture. We are calling. So this manner we need to go for the here entire architecture. We are calling. So this is we are calling as a entire architecture. When we can go for the entire architecture, actually it is same like a web environment. Worldwide through internet we can access the application, but whenever huge number of people are accessing the application, then we can go for the entire architecture only. Whenever huge number of people are accessing, then we can go for the entire architecture only. So this is we are calling as a entire architecture. We are calling this we are calling as a entire architecture. We are calling. So like that, if you want to develop any application, their suitable environment they need to choose it, like single tier architecture, two tier architecture, three tier architecture, entire architecture. This is environments they need to discuss. So what is the environment? It is a combination of hardware and software which holds the application. Application divided into three layers: presentation layer, business layer, database layer. What is the presentation layer? What is the database layer? What is the business layer? And then types of environment: single tier architecture, two tier architecture, three tier architecture, entire architecture. So this is we are discussing the four environments like this. So this is we are calling as a environment concept we are discussing. So this is the topic. Yes, come again.
Entire architecture के example
Entire architecture example. For example, if you go for the flipkart.com. So what is the flipkart.com? Okay, for example, whenever you can go for the flipkart.com, some festival season they're giving the offers, right?
Yes.
For example, in last years they're giving the 1 rupee. 1 rupee they're giving the pen drive. In this situation, they're accessing huge number of people or not.
Yes.
So in that situation, so how many people are using, we don't know. Now it's coming to the huge load, right?
Yes.
In that situation, to manage that one, they can maintain to the entire architecture only. This is same like a web environment. Whenever huge people are accessing, to provide the performance, to reduce the burden, they can go for the entire architecture. And one more example. Whenever we can go for the intermediate or 10th exams are coming. Now they are using manabadi.com, right? So whenever we can go for the 10th exam and intermediate results is coming, 10th result and intermediate result. That day, that website, huge people are using. How many people are using, we don't know, but huge people are using. In that situation, we need to go for the entire architecture to manage that all the load. And one more example. For example, cricket, World Cup is going on. In this World Cup, and a small teams are going on, a simple teams are going on. So that huge, okay, mini means some people only can see it. But World Cup final match is going on, and in final match, and India and Australia is coming. Whenever you can go for the India Australia, they can see the everybody, because of this is a final match. Whenever they can see the everybody through internet by using the some sites, that sites are very busy. So to manage this all the load, they can go for the entire architecture only. So what is the entire architecture? It is same like a web environment only. Whenever huge people are accessing, in that situation, to manage that all the people, to maintain properly that load and giving the performance properly, reduce the burden, we need to convert, we need to set up entire architecture only. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is we are calling as a environment concept, we are calling. This is we are calling as a environment concept, we are calling. So clear, right?